Hey guys, welcome to the tabletop. Like I said before, this was a Glock Store mill job, milling that I had done. It was part of their 10-day guarantee where they had 10 days to complete your slide or it was free, which didn't include the shipping there or the shipping back. And I think they did it in about 9 days, which was awesome. Because a lot of the companies I was looking at for slide milling, it was looking around 5 to 6 weeks. Here is actually the blued finish, and the reason they put a blued finish on there for all my rookies out there is they put a blued finish on there so it doesn't rust. Because when they cut into the slide, they cut away all of that coating on your slide that prevents your slide from rusting. I prefer optics to go directly to the slide. I do not like the plate option as much.